Hi, this is Madison from Finale Inventory, and today I'm going to talk about how easy it is in Finale to track your costs across your kits and bundles. So we make it really simple for you to add your bill of materials, create your assemblies, and produce that finished good. So I'm going to navigate us to our stock screen here, and we have a few sample products I created. So we have our celery, our carrots, our apples, our oranges, and a bundle of all of these items. So let's click into our bundle and scroll down to our bill of materials section. And here we have our apples, oranges, celery, and carrots. And the quantity to produce one finished good is one of each of these components. And given the quantity on hand of my components, I can see I have a potential build quantity of 100. So I can make 100 bundles given my quantity of the components. So let's go to our build screen. And let's create a finished good. So let's just use a system build ID and let's type in our bundle here. Now we can create our build, add our quantity to produce, and start and complete in one step. So now that we've created one finished good and consumed one of each of our components, let's go to our view stock screen and see the stock levels have changed. Perfect. So we can see here that our quantity on hand for our bundle has now increased to 1, and the quantity on hand for our components has decreased by 1 because it was consumed in that build. And if you also see, we have this average cost now being populated of $10.44. And if we go to our accounting header and our general ledger and search for that product, we'll be able to see the value change in our inventory asset account. If you have any questions or would like some more information, please email us at service@finaleinventory.com.